Hello everyone, let's unbox the DJI Osmo Mobile 4 and explore the DJI Mimo app. Okay, so this is DJI Osmo Mobile 4 and this was released on August 26th of last year, 2020. I got this on Christmas, but unfortunately, I only got the chance to upload it now. Alam mo na, buru-buru muna bago upload. So this comes with grip tripod that serves as an extra handle whenever you are on the go. Another one is the magnetic phone clamp, which is their new feature. And you have an extra silicone pad that you can use if you have a smaller or older phone models. Just stick it at the magnetic phone clamp. You also got a power cable for your charging needs and the DJI Osmo Mobile 4 itself. I'm going to show more of that later. And let's open this first. You're also getting a storage pouch, a wrist strap, and it also comes with an alignment guide if you want to use the magnetic ring holder at the back of your phone. This is the magnetic ring holder. And then you have your manuals and start guides. Okay, let's go and assemble the DJI Osmo Mobile 4. Hello everybody, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung function ng DJI Mimo app. And basically, ito yung camera nila na may mga special features para sa DJI Osmo Mobile itself. So, dito sa right side, makikita nyo ay hyperlapse, ayan. And then, may time-lapse din siya. So, kailangan naka-stable yung tayo ng camera mo para maganda yung kuha. Okay? And then, meron ding dyna-zoom. Bagong feature siya na nagka-create ng cinematic effect habang palapit or palayo ka sa kinukuhanan mong subject. And slow mode, up to 8 times ang speed. And then video, yung regular na video lang. Tapos left, right, up, down, ganun. Yung function niya is nasa stick, ganyan. Tapos ito, zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Tapos the other one is photo kung gusto nyong gamitin. Tapos yung function ulit kung gusto nyong naka-portrait or naka-landscape is nasa device pa rin. Okay, panorama kung gusto nyong i-capture yung wide angle. Tapos may night mode din siya kung gusto nyong mas malinaw. Pero I think this is only a picture. Picture nga lang, ayan. Tapos mag-stabilize siyang ganyan. Okay, tapos HDR video. Ay, sa harap pala siya. Eh, tsura ko. Gusto mo ba yan? Ang init eh. Kita mo ba pawis-pawis ako? Okay, back na. Masyado nang exposed. And then, video bokeh or bokeh. Ito ata yung out of focus na blur effect. Tapos, meron story. So, pag story, lahat ng template for your story ay nandito na. So, for example, gusto nyo ayaw nyo na mag-isip kung paano papatakbuhin yung video nyo, ito yung pipindutin nyo, okay? So, I guess that's it sa special feature. Back sa video. Sa video naman, dito sa right side, nandito yung resolution niya. Tapos, itong custom na effects, kung gusto nyong lighten, smoothen. And then, itong isa is kung may flash, lahat ng mga controls actually. So, yun yung special dito sa DJI Mimo app na to. Tapos, meron ding itong may kamay gesture. Kapag naka-on yan, kapag nagganong-ganong ka sa camera, mag-automatic na siya, kukuha ng picture. Okay? So, try natin yung zoom. Zoom. Pasensya na kasi medyo gigil tayo. Sabi na medyo gigil. So, nahirapan akong magpipindot. So, for me, maganda pa rin pagka pre-practice nyo siya kasi nga, ang hirap pag hindi nyo pre-practice. Tapos, left, right, left. Ayan, magigil siya. Left, right. Ay, shit. Kasi naman naka-2. Saan yung zoom mo? Ang hirap. Mahirap siya. 1. Yan. Okay. So, punta naman tayong right. Ay, left pala. Punta tayong right. Okay. Tapos, meron tayong up and down. Balik tayo sa kabila. Yan. Kunwari, ganyan. Tapos, down. Tapos, zoom ulit. Tignan natin. Woo! Gigil talaga siya, Sorry na hindi ko makontrol. Okay, so basically, yan po ang functions ng DJI Mimo. Pero for me, okay din naman yung camera ng aking cellphone. So, madalas yun din ang ginagamit ko. Unless siguro, pag may time na gusto ko mag-shoot ng specific video na kailangan ng mga effect na meron dito sa DJI Mimo, siguro gagamitin ko din siya. So, that's it. Thank you so much. And see you again soon. Bye!